Thinking of breeding budgies? Here's what you need to know to do it right. Start with a healthy pair, a male and a female. Look for signs of bonding like nuzzling and feeding. Set up a spacious cage with a wooden nesting box, soft bedding, clean water, and place it in a quiet area. Mating starts with courtship, chirping, head bobbing, and the male feeding the female. After mating, she'll lay 4 to 6 eggs. They usually hatch after about 18 days of incubation. Both parents feed the chicks. In about 3 weeks, they start growing feathers, and by 5 to 6 weeks, they're ready to leave the nest. Breeding takes love and responsibility. Only breed if you're truly ready. Respect the birds.